How's it going, everyone? Rusty back. Today I've got a box of 2017 Bowman's Best. I've never tried Bowman's Best before. Did see a couple videos, saw a couple cards. I really like the way they look. Plus some of the decent hits you can get, so I thought I'd give it a shot. So go ahead and just give you guys a quick tour. I know this has been out for a couple weeks, so I'm looking forward to the 4 autographs. So this is the master box. Inside the master box you get the 2 mini boxes, and there's 2 autographs per mini. So as soon as I crack open I'll show you guys the odds there, but let's just go ahead and tear in. So give you guys a quick shot there of the odds. Give you guys another quick look once I get the plastic off here. So let's just go ahead and start with box number 1 here. So as you can see, you get 6 packs, 5 cards per pack, so get some decent cards, at least quantity wise, out of the box. So good chance to hit something pretty decent. So there's the odds again, out the plastic. Let's see what we've got. Wish me luck, guys. Hoping for something pretty good. Go ahead and mix these up. Now, I don't know where the autos are. Let me just try to be surprised. First pack. So if you guys have done Bowman, let me know. If you guys have gotten anything good. First one up, Austin Meadows. And you can tell, I mean, these cards are super shiny, super slick. Good surface. Austin Meadows, Max Scherzer, Ahmed Rosario. Nice Alex Bregman. Base cuts. And a David Dahl. Let's see, it's just your insert, so I don't know, a lot of these things are numbered. Different color parallels. If you're working on a rainbow, anything like that, product's good for that. Nice Alex Bregman again. Kevin Mayton, now with the Angels. Jake Berger. Kevin Merrill is the first auto. Ian Happ behind that. So that looks to be just the base auto. Kevin Merrill. Go ahead and sleeve that up. Grab my top loaders here. So like I said, guys, if you guys have done any Bowman's Best and are getting anything really nice, let me know. Like I said, I'm kind of new to Bowman's Best. I haven't done any of it, so I mean, aside from some of the big names I see, I don't know really what the big hits would be, if it's all going to be your prospects, things of that nature. So Jorge Alfaro, that's Ronald Acuna, Lewis Brinson, mirror image of Dustin Pedroia and Keston Hiura, and a Mike Trout. Always happy to see Trout. Be happier if I could see him autograph. So Ramil Tapia, Joey Votto, Ichiro. Second auto up, so then we got a nice Bellinger there behind. Is Francisco Mejia. Also looks to be a base. Sleeve it up real quick here. So I'm not sure if this particular product is, aside from the guaranteed the 4 autos, if you're guaranteed any number of colored variations or anything like that. So right, Buster Posey, Craig Kimbrell, Baseball America, Blake Rutherford. Ooh, nice gold of Hunter Renfroe. 48 of 50 for Hunter Renfroe. Just gotta put that one back there. And the last card in that pack was the Eloy Jimenez. Last pack of this mini box. Nice Brendan McKay. Some of these look like they are color variations, but it's just the colors of the card. Charlie Blackmon, Dansby Swanson, nice Gleyber Torres, Baseball America, and Aroldis Chapman. So that's mini box number 1. On to number 2. Hoping for a nice colored hit, or like I said, I'm always looking to pull Mike Trout out of anything. Main player at PC. Once again, mix them up so that way we're surprised. Alright, first pack. Alright, looks like David Dahl. Looks like we're already getting some dupes here. Ian Happ. Ryan Mountcastle, Baseball America. Omar Garcia Parra, Best Cuts. And another Hunter Renfroe. This is the refractor. As I say, it looked a little different. Looks like so far all my color variations are all the Hunter Renfroe. Alright, Brent Honeywell. Another Brand McKay. Franklin Barreto. Looks like an Anthony Rizzo Atomic. Not numbered. And a Corey Kluber. Alright, moving on. Got a Ryan Healy. It's another Bellinger. Aroldis Chapman. Nice. Yu Darvish. Royce Lewis. Royce Lewis refractor. That's a nice, decent hit there. Good, get that sleeved up. So we're looking for one more auto, still one more auto. Happy to see that Royce Lewis, that's a pretty good hit. Another Hunter Renfroe. Eloy Jimenez. Mike Trout. Still the base there. Joe Adele, Mookie Betts, and Alex Reyes. 2 packs left. One more auto to go. Oh, nice Aaron Judge on the back. Freddie Freeman. Andrew McCutchen. Lewis Giant. Trey Mancini. And the last auto is good. Saw the Aaron Judge there, if you guys want to see the Aaron Judge. Last auto is going to be Christian Arroyo. Looks to be just the base. So as far as autos are concerned, nothing too super spectacular. Last pack here. See if we get a decent colored hit. Got Mickey Moniak, Nolan Arenado, Sixto Sanchez, Baseball America. Nice. Raking Rookies, Aaron Judge. And a Josh Bell. So anyway, that is my box, the 2017 Bowman's Best. Just give you guys a quick recap here. So Christian Arroyo and Kevin Merrill, Francisco Mejia, and the Royce Lewis refractor. It's like the two colored hits, one numbered, one not, were both Hunter Renfroe. Did get the gold and the refractor. So I like the cards. These cards are excellent as far as the way they show. And then the atomic hit for the box was the Anthony Rizzo base. So anyway, guys, that's the video. Like I said, please comment, like, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Please stick with me, guys. We're going to try to keep this channel going as long as we can. I enjoy it, and I hope you guys too. Until we meet again, we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.